Hello everyone, taking our lesson further, today we'll be starting with the next topic, that is land degradation and conservation measures. First of all, we should know that what is land degradation. Land degradation means when the quality of land gets destroyed. जब क्वालिटी लैंड की खराब होना शुरू हो जाती है तो उस चीज़ को हम लैंड डिग्रेडेशन कहते हैं. Now let's have a look on the broader definition of land degradation. It means continuous use of land over a long period of time without taking appropriate measures. Appropriate means proper measures to conserve and manage it has resulted in land degradation. That means we the human beings have been using land resources from a long period of time without even adopting measures to conserve and managed it. This is the result that land has become degraded or destroyed with the passage of time. Now we'll be studying about the causes of land degradation. क्या causes हैं जिसके कारण हमारा land की quality खराब हो रही है? The first cause is deforestation. What is deforestation? Deforestation means cutting down of trees. We all know that trees have the capacity to hold the soil. और अगर हम trees को ही काट देंगे तो soil will get loosen up, which will further lead to degradation of soil, or the soil will get eroded with the wind or with the water, जिसके कारण again the quality of the soil will get destroyed, thus leading to the land degradation. The second cause is overgrazing. What is overgrazing? Overgrazing is when the cattle are sent to the field for grazing that particular land. States like Gujarat, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh are facing land degradation because of the overgrazing of their fields. The next cause is mining and quarrying. What is mining? Mining is extraction of minerals from the earth's surface. Then quarrying means extraction of rocks from the ground. Both these activities have led to land degradation in the states of Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh and Madhya Pradesh. The last cause for land degradation is over-irrigation. Many of the farmers provide excessive water to their agricultural fields, which leads to waterlogging in the agricultural fields. This problem of land degradation because of over-irrigation is being faced by the states like Punjab, Haryana and western parts of Uttar Pradesh. Now let's have a look on the measures that can be taken to solve the problem of land degradation. The first one is afforestation. There should be more and more planting of trees so that the quality of land can be regenerated. Then the next solution is there should be proper management of wasteland. Proper technologies should be used in order to convert the wasteland into useful lands. Then there should be control on the activities like overgrazing and mining. Then there should be proper disposal of industrial waste so that these waste do not harm the quality of the land.